Have you ever worked with balsa wood? Well, I have not, but this was my first time trying. And of course, like always, I'm an outside of the box thinker. Therefore, I was trying to do something probably a little bit over my head, but if you don't try, you never know. So what I was doing was taking some balsa wood and I was soaking it down to bend it. I found that it bent with the grain very well, but against the grain not so much. So I tried this several times over. I even did it on a live doing an experiment. Though I managed to be successful, eventually I broke it. So, I think that if I do an envelope, I can't do it in such an extreme fashion as I did attempt it that first time. But I chose to go on and continue playing with balsa wood. Therefore, I'm staining this one. And I decided to do a little bit of mixed media. Sorry about the zoom in. I had gotten some chalk paint after I stained it. And then I did a little crackle finish, if I'm not mistaken. And I forgot I was filming. So I didn't zoom out until then. I'm using a blue stain with the gold mica powder in it, or mica flakes, or some kind of mica in there. And I found this napkin at Tuesday morning, and I just loved it. And I was wanting to work with my balsa wood, and I had not played with this napkin yet, so I love blue, and just kind of I was just all over the place this night, but I thought I'd share it anyway so that you could see my official mixed media on balsa wood substrate. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. It is a quick video, but I thought I would share it because I needed to get it out of my phone and get it into YouTube so I could free up some space. So yeah, there you go. And be looking forward to my next couple of videos. I will be going back to my Dollar Tree glass gemstones, where I have made jewelry out of them. I've made embellishments out of them. And there's more to come. I've made tags and paper clips. So there's a lot of fun, and I have found a few flaws that I will share with you as well in those videos, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, just enjoy the process, and I hope you like my little mixed media balsa wood substrate project. Till then, I'll talk to you guys later, and please do subscribe and like and comment, and also if you wouldn't mind joining the Out of the Box Creations group. We're slow going, but I'd like to get some participants in there if you would. It would be nice to have you just come in and post your pictures or your links or things like that, and just share with us your thoughts and ideas and your projects. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye.